To set up custom watch faces on the Samsung Galaxy Watch 8, first of all, you will have to open the Galaxy Wearable application, go into the watch faces over here, and now you will have to scroll down almost all the way down until you find this photos or photo sticker watch face. So pick one of the following. I will go with the first one, and as you can see now it's set as a watch face. But when we click over here, we can actually edit this one by clicking here, and now we can change the background. So we can click here and go from the pictures to the pictures of our phone. You can take the photo right now by using camera or by going to the gallery. You can pick any photo that you have. So in my case, let's say that I want to get my controller. I have to click done. Now, as you can see, we can simply pinch in like so to change its size. We can also find some other settings from exposure and stuff like this to boost how it looks. Also some highlights. Click done. And now just wait a little bit until it will be uploaded. Click save, and there we go. It's finished.